Hi friends, my name is Scott and I am from nymathtutor.com. Today's topic is going to be volume and how we use volume on the SHSAT. If you haven't already signed up for your free membership at nymathtutor.com, go ahead and click the link below now and you can sign up for free to receive all of our other videos and educational materials. If you're not signed up as a subscriber for this YouTube channel yet, go ahead and do that now. Alright, let's get started. We're going to do volume on the whiteboard. Here we go. So, how do we recognize that a question is asking about volume? Well, typically, they're going to ask about two things: rectangular prisms and cylinders. All right, so that could be a steel drum, like we're going to talk about it in a minute, or a container, Pepsi can. A rectangular prism could be a box. Any kind of terms like that, they're probably talking about volume. So, how do we solve a volume question? Well, you need to know that a rectangular prism is going to have a length, a width, and a height. All right? You have to multiply all those together to get the area. If they give you the area and something else is missing, then you have to divide. Okay, you just go backwards like a regular algebra problem. All right, for a cylinder, it's a little bit different. It's going to be pi r squared times h. Okay, h standing for height. So you have to find the radius, square it, multiply it times height, and usually they leave the questions in terms of pi. All right. The radius is half the diameter. If they give you the diameter, first you have to divide by 2, and then you can square. Okay? But those will give you the areas of either a rectangular prism or a cylinder. And today, in today's lesson about volume, I'm going to show you an example of both. All right, let's get started. So our first question: Pat has a water drum in the shape of a cylinder. All right, there's our first clue. The radius of the base of the cylinder is 3 meters. The height of the cylinder is 6 meters, and the drum is 1/3 full. How much more cubic meters of water does Pat need to fill the drum in terms of pi? All right, if you want to, go ahead and pause the video now and try the problem yourself. Otherwise, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. All right, so we know that our radius is 3 meters. We know we have to square that. We have to multiply it times h, and we have to multiply it times pi. All right. So 3 squared is 9, and our height is what? 6. So 9 times 6 is 54, and we have pi. All right, it says the drum is 1/3 full. Okay, so how much more do we need? We need 2/3. So what is 2/3 of 54? Well, 1/3 of 54, if you do 54 divided by 3, it's going to be what here? 18. And then that's equal to, right, again, 1/3. But we need 2/3, so you just multiply 18 times 2, and you get 36 pi. So our answer is C, 36 pi. It's as easy as that. All right, let's go to a question about a rectangular prism. Okay, Robin has a box in the shape of a rectangular prism that is 6 feet long, 4 feet wide, and 2 feet tall. How many cubes could he fit into the box that have a width of 2 feet? All right, so this question is about a box, right? And it's in the shape of a rectangular prism. So we know we're probably going to be talking about volume. Another clue here is cubes. Cubes usually have volume as well. So let's figure out the box first. We have to do length times width times height. We have what? 6 times 4 times 2. Well, 4 times 2 is 8 times 6 equals 48. So how many of these other little boxes can we fit in there? Well, let's figure out the area of the other box. I'm sorry, not area, the volume. The cube is 2 by 2 by 2, so 2 times 2 times 2. They only give us one dimension, but since it's a cube, all the dimensions are the same. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 48 divided by 8 is 6. So we have B, 6. All right, so we can fit 6 cubes into that box. Okay, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you learned something about volume today. Again, if you haven't signed up at nymathtutor.com, go ahead and do that now for free. All right, the link is below. Please subscribe to our videos. I hope you enjoy. And we have a bunch of other videos on SHSAT prep. Please check them out, and I hope you do great. Talk to you next time.